Little special package from Betafpv, the little unboxing video of this. Comes at a opportune time. This is a special edition specifically for Black Friday and just in time for Halloween. What we got here is a Wisp 75. The frame is supposed to glow in the dark. So it comes with canopy, glow in the dark frame, two of them, and I'm guessing this is an Air 5-in-1. It is an Air 5-in-1 flight controller. The usual 0802. Probably the same as the other one. 0802, 23,000 kV motors, tri-blade props. Let us see how much they glow in the dark. Lights off. Not bad. Let's turn off the lights completely and see what it looks like. There you go. Look at that. That is going to be pretty cool. Disclaimer though, these frames are pretty brittle because of the glow in the dark feature on them. So that's probably why it comes with a spare frame. You can get these during the Black Friday sale coming up pretty soon. Oh, look at that. Now it really glows once I turn off the black light. So that is pretty damn cool. So look forward to seeing these on their site near Black Friday. I will be re-outfitting, I think, the canopy with something more Halloween oriented in a few days and see what I can think up. But again, a big shout out to Betafpv for the little care package that includes the Air75 Wisp and a set of 450 mAh lava lipos. Cheers!